This is No Me 2034. You see the line drawings on the back of the envelope. It's called a coat dress. Here are your notions, back of the envelope information. This is 2052 No Me pant and shirt. McCall's 8449 is a dress, and it's called Dresses in a Sash. Here your back of the envelope information, and of course your line drawings. And so this takes us to the No Me pattern 2016. This is the pattern that I'm using to make this dress of that favorite fabric I showed. And here's the front of the envelope. It's a dress. And it's called a Mrs. Dress. Here are your back information. Here are the line drawings. And so this completes the last portion of patterns that I got from Simplicity.com when they were on sale. I did one portion, and these are the last few that I have. And I've been working on this dress. So you'll see it soon.